In this video, I'll walk you through how to add a new customer in Wintac. You may have already installed the Wintac software and may have already gone through the setup wizard. If you haven't, this is a great thing to go through in the beginning. It'll walk you through entering in your company information, name and address, enter some of your text in, things like that. You'll also notice we have this 4-step onboarding process right here. So by clicking on these, it'll pull up detailed instructions on how to perform the most popular functions at Wintac. So this is something you want to take a look at in the beginning as well. But to start with in this video, I'm going to go into the Customer Job Manager because we're going to walk through adding in a brand new customer record. So I will hit Customer Job Manager. And if you've already added a customer, or if you're using our sample file that comes with the program, you may already be looking at an existing customer record. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click Add up here to add a brand new customer. And now we'll put the information in about this customer. Now, as we go through the program, you'll notice a lot of fields have drop-down lists next to them. When you get Wintac, you can edit virtually all of these drop-down lists so that they're specific to your company. To edit the list, you just right-click on it, hit Add Edit List, and you can come up with your own, so you can go back and update these at any time. What people will typically use the reference code field for is the type of customer. So I'm going to mark this as residential, and now I'll just start typing in the customer's name. Wintac has a feature where it will try and detect duplicates. So if you type in the same name or street name, phone number, it'll alert you that you may have a duplicate in here. And it'll also build a zip code database as you enter in zip codes that you do work in. Here I'll put the salutation in case I'm going to do mass mailings or mass emailings to my customers. And over here I'll enter in the phone number. Now you'll notice it just says phone 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are actually user definable. You can name these phone fields in the business options section of Wintac, which can be accessed from the main customer screen. In addition to the phone fields, you can actually name these 5 fields right here. So if there's additional information that you want to track about this billable customer on the main screen, you can name these fields whatever you want, update a drop-down list if you want, and track that information here. I can also enter in here how this customer learned about me. So I can, again, run reports based on that. And if I want, I can set an alert for this customer so that whenever I pull this customer up, a little window will show up with whatever text you've entered in there. So if it's a Premier customer or you don't want to do work for them anymore, you can set an alert. And to do that, we go up here to Customer and we'll go to Alert. And you just type in your message in here and click Save. And then from now on, whenever you pull this customer up, this window will pop up with the text that you've entered into it. If I click Notes down here, I'll see there's a notes section for each customer, or I can log in date timestamps in and put any notes, log phone conversations, things like that. So this screen right here, this is your billable customer screen. So this is where all your invoices are going if it's a commercial account. In additional videos, I'll show you, adding in job sites and scheduling work at different properties, but this will be your billable account information. We also have this contacts section right here. This is if you have multiple contacts for an account. A large company that you do work for, you might have 20 different people that you contact. You can list them all here with their name, address, email, and phone number. And that's it. That's how easy it is to add a customer in Wintac. If I had to add an additional customer right now, I would just hit this Add button and put a new customer in.